The people of Zimbabwe are crying out for relief from the diabolical ZANU-PF government, which seems determined to make their lives a living hell. The regime's merciless policies have brought nothing but suffering, poverty, and despair to the nation. Saka pana mashoko ataona vanhu panguva ino vari kuchema vachiti zvichasvika rini izvi zviri kuitika nyika yezimbabwe nemapolicies anoonekwa kuti they are not favoring macitizens achasvika rini. Sana mina mashoko vanhu vaungoona kuti kwese kwese nyika yezimbabwe people they are crying for not for subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Toona vanobuda nyora vachiti panapa pachingi radio is the days turn into weeks and the weeks into months. The people's patience is wearing thin. They are asking, how long shall we suffer? The government's answer, it seems, is forever, but the people would not be silenced. They are rising up, demanding change, and calling for an end to the ZANU-PF regime of terror. The situation on the ground is dire. Prices are skyrocketing, jobs are scarce, and the basic necessities like food, water, and electricity are in short supply. The people are struggling to survive, but the government seems more interested in lining its own pockets than in helping its citizens. It's time for the people to unite and take a stand against the oppressive regime. We need to come together, regardless of our political affiliations, and demand a better future for ourselves and our children. We need to kick out these goons once and for all and build a new Zimbabwe founded on principles of justice, equality, and freedom. The question is, when will the suffering end? The answer lies with us, the people. We have the power to bring about change, to create a brighter future for ourselves and our nation. Let us rise up, let us unite, and let us take our country from those who have hijacked it for their own selfish interest. Mashoko anobuda panapa nyumba muchenje radio vachiti aiwa vakomana, the people must unite, vagaine our the people power and out our this regime, just because the regime is happy kana ichiona munyika yezimbabwe muchiitika suffering, vachiona vanhu vachitadza kudya, vanhu vachitadza kushanda, all this vanenge vachitofara vachiti everything is going well. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pinango mesection medu musaona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.